how to make group admin on WhatsApp. So what we'll simply do is open our WhatsApp here, and whichever group you want to make admin in, you can simply click on that group and click on that group's profile. And here I'm clicking on its profile, and if you scroll a bit, you scroll, you'll get to see a lot of option there. You can simply see the member of your group, and you can simply see an arrow option in the right corner in the particular person's profile. So you can simply click on that, and after clicking on that, here, wait, I'll just give you a tutorial here. You can simply click on the person's profile, and then you can simply click on option of make group admin. So you can click on it and make them the admin here, and I can repeat the option, the same thing here. I will make admin to the next person as well. And yeah, you can simply click and dismiss them as admin. And yeah, that is how to make group admin on WhatsApp.